Alrighty, y'all. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. I'm trying to see, bruh. Like, I'm trying to see why, like, the music is just not playing, bro. Yeah, it's just not gonna work, bro. I'm about to figure it out later, y'all. I'm about to figure it out later. So, unfortunately, no music today. No music. Let me go ahead and get into, for those of you guys that probably didn't see the community tab post I made. Um, I ended up taking a third trade yesterday just because I think after that second trade I took a L on stream. If y'all can remember, we first took a setup from this fair value gap here, right? This was a L. That was a L, quick L. Then we tried one more time from here, right? Played around for a little bit. That ended up being an L. And so I kind of just kept the same bias, man. I mean, I lost like what, $800. So I had like $200 left for the daily loss limit. So I was like, bro, why not? Let's take one more stab at going long. And so I saw we just, swept these lows here, right? Displaced higher again. I was like, I'll take one more stab at going long. So ended up taking a long inside of this fair value gap here. And as you guys can see, it ended up doing pretty well. We still never took out all these old highs I was talking about yesterday. So, like, we just created more liquidity up there. So, I would be expecting that to probably get hit today. So I ended up closing this trade, like right here. I think somewhere around here. And made back all the money I lost. I made like $800 on that. So I guess the official number yesterday, I was down $5. Big losing day. Big losing day, man. Lost $5, man. It's not a good day. Gotta do better, man. Can't be losing that much money. But down $5 yesterday, so we just gonna say break even. As y'all can see, the account balance is only down about $5. Same account as y'all can see. So yeah, bro. Yeah, I know it's gonna be typical streamer, bro. Of course, he makes his money back when he's not on stream, bro. Listen, bro. Listen. I posted the screenshot in the community tab. It has all the executions on it. You can see the executions from the two trades I took on stream, and then obviously the execution, I took, or I had on that third trade. So as of right now, man, we're down $500 for the week, which means if I want this to be a profitable week, I have to get a good trade today. So my thinking is literally still the same, bro. I want to see all this taken out right here. I mean, certainly, right? Certainly we get this. Certainly, bro. I mean, ain't no way we just gonna keep generating all this stuff up here, bro. Like, I mean, look at this. There's no way, bro. There's no way. So that's gonna be what I'm trying to target. And even if we go to the higher time frames, right? Even if we are going to be bearish, I mean, I would assume we would. Well, even if we are going to continue down, I would assume we got to take this out, bro. Dropping down in time frames in a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Internal to external would be up here, which would low key be good if we can sweep this and then tap into this fair value gap and or this order block sitting up here. 1 hour, kind of the same thing, just looks uglier. We're inside of this 1 hour bearish gap. Let me make sure I'm not missing nothing. August 26th. So ES already took out all these little internal highs here. But I would still think NQ is going to get up there, bro. Make sure I'm not missing nothing big. You got some SMT. Yeah. SMT here. Bullish. But we got bearish as well. So my thinking is going to be going after those highs, bro. Let's see if we can get that today, man. Otherwise, if I have a no trading day or if I take a L today, it'll just be a losing week. We had 2 profitable weeks, and this will be a losing week if I take an L today. I mean, that just looks too good, bro. Let me delete all this because I don't need it. I would love to get another, $1,000 plus day today, because that would put us in prime position to knock this thing out next week. Only thing I can really say about this week is that I really should only be down $300, but because of that second trade I took on Tuesday or Wednesday, that kind of FOMO trade on YM, that's why I'm down 570, something like that. So that's the only thing I can say about that. That was the only trade I could say it was a bad trade. Everything else, like the 2 losses I took yesterday on stream, I'm like, bruh, that's the setup I'm taking every time. Every time. So we got some SMT here. Between the open. This is crazy. But also, we also got some bullish SMT though too. So we gonna wait and see. We're gonna be a little patient today, y'all. I just wish, man, we could just get a uni, bro. I swear they patched the uni, man. I swear they did. They patched it, bro. I'm about to turn the music on for me. I know y'all can't hear it, but I need to turn it on for me. Because now I can't just sit in silence. I'm trying to see how to fix it. That's not it, bro. That's not it. Bro, it has to be just like a regular like an output. I was about to say. Yeah, bro, it just won't let me add it. I'm about to do some research on that, y'all. I can't figure it out right now. You go to Forex Factory. We had some news at 8:30. Came out pretty neutral. Got the macro coming up here shortly. Just waiting, man. I mean, from a weekly standpoint, this is what you want to see. Sure, order block right here. We're respecting. I'm gonna remain bullish. All right. In the macro, let's see what we can get. Papi had to jump the border trampoline. Yikes. Oh, YM's like at all-time highs, bro. That's crazy. Sheesh, we must be pushing right now. That's a little steep there. It's a little steep, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna wait, bro. That's a little steep. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I mean, it technically tapped. And by technically, I mean it did. But maybe we'll get a. I mean, that is technically equal lows. Like a little sweepy. And then go. We're about to inverse this. see if we can get a closure above this for the hourly candle. I'm about to tap into that now. I'm just holding off a little bit. I may get left, but the good news is I don't need this whole move, obviously. This is 120 points away. Holding off. Bouncing off this order block. There's a part of me that makes me question myself. Like, as far as like, do I get too googly eyed when I see stuff like this, like all these highs? Like, do I just get so focused on that happening that, you know, I just disregard everything else? Ooh, hang on, one contract. I'm debating, man. I was debating taking like a supply and demand type setup, entering off the break of this candle from this order block. Stop loss below the candle. I think I waited a little bit too long though. It may be gone. As long as this candle closes above that black line, that 1 hour bearish gap will officially be inversed, which would make me even more bullish. It's a new 1 hour candle. I'm gonna see what this does. If the new 1 hour candle just starts displacing higher, I'm just gonna enter off of that. Like right here. It's an orange folder. told you to look at that. Should have did the break of the candle. What are we looking like here? Just displaced through this high. The 3 candle sequence would put me right at the max I would want to risk. Wonderful. Oh, now we got a little bit more back. I don't want to see this come back in here, bro. Do I give this a go? Looks like it's trying to leave. I'm at y'all. Private conversation. I think I might give this a go, y'all. And by might, I think I will. I mean, the only thing that leaves me nervous is we would potentially be leaving this 15-minute gap behind, which I don't like. I like to enter as like when price is already balanced. I'm trying to look at the DXY real quick. Swap this previous day's high. Swap all those highs. We can get a push down here. That would be good from the DXY. Switch me to NQ. Thank you. Let me see. I know it's sad to say, but I'm still thinking on this. thought on it. I'm glad I thought on it. Thank God. That's one L avoided. Oh my God. I'm glad I thought on that. That would have been tragic, bro. I mean, sheesh. Could just be coming back to get this, which is looking like it's doing perfectly right now. Yeah, because if I would have entered up there, putting my stop loss where I was originally about to put it, bro, I would have been out already, like instantly, which would have been sad. Let me see. So glad I didn't pull the trigger on that, bro. Folks on YouTube would have started questioning me like, bro, every time you enter a trade, you like instantly lose. What's up with that? And my only answer would be, it's obvious the market makers are stream sniping, bro. I sure did think about it though. I ain't gonna lie. I thought about it for sure. Let's see if we can get some more displacement. Possibly push through this. This will be the first test to let me know if we're truly bullish or not. We inversed it on the 1 hour. Well, inversed the 1 hour bearish gap. I need to see this fail. It would be great if it could just immediately inverse it like it does when I enter. No more gap down here. So that's good. At least if we get a bullish setup, there's nothing on the higher time frame for us to pull back to except for like the 30-minute chart. But hopefully by then we'd be long gone. So far this bearish gap is holding, which isn't something I want to see. Yeah. Just tap into the 1 hour inverse. See if we can get like a little tap and go on the 1 hour. Tap, go. Delete this. It'd be great if we can like displace over this, get a fair value gap with this order block right here, bro. Well, and turn this into an order block. That would be like this, chef's kiss. I mean, if we start respecting or holding on bearish PD rays, bro, we might have to consider the fact that we may be wrong about direction. Again, I've said it time and time again. Just because there's equal highs or equal lows, it doesn't mean they need to go after them immediately. They can go after them when they feel like it. I mean, my dual exchanges, y'all know this is a supply on the 15-minute right here. Got your breaker structure. Supply. But I'm about to fade Doyle. Y'all tell Doyle hyping this. I'm about to fade him right now. No, I'm playing. Last time I faded people was yesterday, and it didn't go too hot. But we make the money back though. We were right. We were just wrong on the timing. Gotta love when that happens. Just unfortunate, bro. Like, we should have been out of here a long time ago. Yesterday. Yikes, man. Are we trying to just go lower? Let me see. I mean, this is the data low for news. Kind of didn't want to see it. Kind of wasn't expecting for it to get taken out, honestly. I just wanted to see us just go straight up. But it is a possibility that that's where they are trying to go. Took out the data high to now take out the data low before then going in their desired direction. I mean, this is a strong bearish candle right here. If we were supply and demand, we would be in right now. Look at this. Little 60-point stop, nothing crazy. Only way I would trade down into this data low is like I need to see like some displacement through a low, bro. Brother, brother, brother. Yeah, the only way I would be able to sell and be okay with that is like I want to see some displacement through a low. Other than that, your boy is looking to long. I said inverse that 1 hour bearish gap. Just tapped into it on the 1 hour. Let's see if we can push away from it. Get up out of here. Bro, like I feel like this week it's just been taking longer for things to kind of form and play out. Like the fact that I had to take 3 trades yesterday and be break even is crazy, bro. 2 L's, 1 W. But you know what? That's how it really should be though, bro. 1 W should cover multiple losses. Like it shouldn't be 1 W gets you one loss back or, you know, a piece of a loss back. Like, nah, bro. I really could have ended the day yesterday like up $200, but I was trying to give this doggone price a chance to get up to this liquidity I got marked out up here, and it just never did, man. So then, like, once I saw this candle form, I was like, all right, I'm up out of here, bro. They obviously ain't trying to get it. So, and I wasn't going to hold it till Kingdom Come. And if I did, I mean, I don't think I would have held it all the way down here. I'm not going to lie to you. I was trying to give price a chance, man. Starting to get some displacement, bro. Like I said, if we can displace through this low, then that would make me start to believe that, all right, we may be trying to take out the data low first. But it needs to be a strong push through here. Like, I don't want to see just a wick under here, bro. Oh well, see. Never mind anyway, bro. This right here is still holding too. How long is this going to take? Give me a setup. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Now that is displacement. Let's see if we can get a close under there, a fair value gap, and we'll enter to take out the data low. That would be it. It's about to close this gap, isn't it? Oh my god, man. It's like they know I hate small fair value gaps, bro, so they create them. I can't stand a baby fair value gap. Oh, but the 2-minute looks way better. All right, 2-minute. Cook up. Cook up. Before someone asks, why are you flipping? We're starting to get some bearish displacement. Bullish PD arrays failing. That is why I'm flipping. Not overall, but I would say I'm flipping at least short term to maybe take out this data low here. That's my way of thinking right now. Stop loss would just be going above this fair value gap candle since this is a beefy candle, bro. Would want to see delivery to that. If we can get some favor, maybe just blast through and maybe get like our max win we can get. Obviously doing this is going against like what I would want to see, those equal highs up top. So I'm keeping that in mind, but I'm not a predictor of price, man. I can only react to what it's doing. And right now it's looking like it wants to sell. Displaced through this low, so I'll give it a shot. And if I lose, oh well. All right, I'm in. Stop loss is going above here. Stop loss above the fair value gap candle. And let's see if we can get this data low and then quite possibly get this. Y'all already know I don't lose, so if this loses, then the market's racist. I could say we could probably go, maybe go break even here. Excellent. Excellent. All right. We at break even now. This is a risk-free trade. Let's see if we can get like a crazy sell-off, bro, in Friday on a great note. Let's see, man. This is good though. Just displaced through that low. Come on, give us more than that. That may have been all it wanted to give us, y'all. We got what? Three. We got. I'm gonna put it 1 point in profit, bro. So 5, 6, 50. We got a 1 point in profit. We walking away with $20 at the very least. I used to be able to fill up my gas, bro, but you know, nowadays that's not enough. Like, no, bruh. Come on, fair value gap. Hold on the 1 minute. Hold. Hold. That may be all it wanted to give us, y'all. Yeah, that's all I want to give us. I think we're about to get stopped out at break even here. If that's the case, I'm not mad at that, bruh. I mean, someone could say, bro, you was up 700. Yeah, but I mean, did I really have a chance to really close this or even think about closing this down here? Not really, because we immediately came back up. Plus, that wasn't even where I was really trying to take it. I was trying to take it down here. I just went break even right there for a reason like this. I mean, for something like this. There's some people that would just like leave their risk on. I'm not gonna do that, bro. Let's pray the Lord shows us good favor and just drops this thing, bro. Just drop it, Father, please. If it's your will, of course. Good news is, man, even if we do get stopped at break even, we can look for another setup, right? Take one more. Come on. Hold. Hold. It's not gonna hold. Hold, man. Hold. Hold, please. It's still holding, ladies and gentlemen. It's still holding on. Hold. No. 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 Get down. Don't you dare do it. Don't do it to me. Get out of here, please. You're not welcome. You're not welcome near my stop loss. Please. Go. Oh, y'all, it's all over. It's over. I think they're trying to get me, bro. No. Yes. No. No. They're trying to get me, y'all, and they got me. All right. That's a break even. We got a whopping $15. We literally just had this one candle, bro, and that was it. What would be crazy is if it stops me at break even and then just goes. But yeah, we got this one candle in our favor, bro, and that was it. That was literally it. Still got all this down here. Look at the bob, bro. Yeah. Unfortunate. But listen, I ain't opposed to going long either. Right? We were up at what? We were up about $800 on this trade. It's unfortunate just couldn't get this at the very least. Like I could have at least considered getting out right here. But this right here was not what I was looking for. That's why I didn't get out. For those of you guys that may be wondering. I was looking for this. I was looking for this at the very least. Like I said, the 74 points was best case scenario. Let's see if we can get something else in the next 27 minutes. Maybe just want to sweep that liquidity right there. Continue lower. But yeah, for those of y'all that be wondering why I go break even, it's for stuff like this, man. Stuff like this, right? And I go break even where it makes sense, right? Like I know I always say the recent low, right? And so technically that would have been here, but that doesn't make sense. This low made more sense, right? Plus that's way too close to my entry. Where we getting at right here? So we got in at 57. This was at 41. Do you really think 16 points is safe on NQ? Not really. Down here though, we're well, I said 57, so now we're 27 points away. That's a whole lot more breathing room than 16 points. Now we're starting to displace higher. All right, guys. If we get a fair value gap, we get a fair value gap. We going after these equal highs up here, bro. Listen, everything is always about like, okay, what's happening right now? So my trades are always going to be based on what I see, bro. not what I would like to see. That's where I always get in trouble. I always start trading for what I would like to see instead of what's actually happening. Isn't that a lot like life? Let's have a sermon. Isn't that a lot like life? Oftentimes, people will live and expect things to be how they would like them to be instead of living in reality. That's why people go into credit card debt. In reality they don't have the money for what they want to buy. But because they want to live in the land of how life, well, living how they would like it, how they would like, they go into credit card debt. All right, let's see. We just got this fair value gap. Is your boy gonna double dip here on NQ and go both ways? Pause. Um, let's see. I might. I might. I might. I might. I might. It just generated more liquidity down here though, which I don't like. Like DXY, what are we doing, gang? If we gonna fall, fall. If you gonna go up, go up. What does Myron say? Tell me yes or tell me no. Tell me yes or tell me no. But tell me now. I gotta go. What are we looking at here? Fair value gap candle, I can just have a 14-point stop. And it's leaving. I mean, all these wicks to the downside, bro. Like, if you're support and resistance, this is a clear support right here. Because, oh, by the way, if no one's ever told you everything works, it's not just ICT. Support and resistance works. Trend lines work. What? Harmonic patterns work. It all just depends on how you use them. I hesitated on this one. We may be out of luck here. I mean, look at that, bro. Does this not look like a sweep, a liquidity sweep on the DXY? That makes me want to sell, bro. I mean, makes me want to buy on the indices. But let me know what we gonna do. All right, since we were disrespecting bullish PD raise first, maybe I should just wait, see if this gets respected, which is looking like it is. Wait for the next fair value gap, enter off of that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Because before we were having bullish PD raise fail. Now this one's actually holding up. All right, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so I'll be taking this once it comes back. If it comes back. This will probably be the last trade though. I ain't about to be taking 3 trades a day. I mean, this is the last one anyway. We getting towards the end of my time on these charts anyway. Plus, we gotta be a little bit more aggressive on this account, man. I'm not dragging out a 50K, bro. I refuse to drag out a 50K. I'm either passing or failing. Kind of like that my boy Kev said. I'm either passing or failing within like 2 weeks, month max, bro. I'm not taking this past a month. So let's see if we can get this pull back into here. Let me go ahead and put my limit on. This is what we're looking for. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, here, let me move this down so y'all can still see. Y'all can still see my stats. There we go. Get down there. Only thing I don't like is my stop loss being like inside this fair value gap here, bro. So like if they want to sweep this and then continue higher, I'd be chalked. The worst case, we can always just re-enter if that happens, bro. Or we may just be getting left behind. Alrighty. Hello. Excuse me. Thank you. I was about to say. Alright, we're in on this. Last trade of the day. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Well, well, well. That's not ideal. That is not fun. I don't know what to say about that one, y'all. That's just instant, instant L, bro. Oh my god. That is crazy. Oh my god. Well. You, bruh. What's today? The 30th. We got a week left before this combine is over. I don't know, man. That was crazy, bro. That's just an instant L, bro. I swear, bro. Ever since I started doing these YouTube streams, if I take a L, it's an instant L, bro. Like, that is crazy. Instantly. But I guess that's it, man. That's it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I may take a trade off stream. Possibly. Just because I'm kind of... Let me think. Monday is a holiday, so I'm not trading that day. which means Tuesday may end up like Monday, where I may not get a trade on Tuesday. So I probably really only got 3 days left of trading day, well, 3 trading days left. So I don't know. I'm not continuing the 50K combine. Like I said, I'm either passing or failing, y'all. Within the month. So I might take something else off stream. But that's all I got, man. If I do, obviously I put it in the community tab with the executions on. Y'all remember these executions right here. Remember these. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, bro. If I take something else, it'll be in the community tab, ready for y'all. But that's all I got, man. We got one break-even trade, one L. Tough day in the office. But yeah, bro. Y'all stay safe out here. Be smart on these charts. And I will catch you guys next Tuesday, man. Peace.